A girl from a small town, Virudhunagar, Tamil Nadu, India. How I became a global IT program manager. So here are my 4-step framework. What I follow to achieve my dream life. I am going to share it with you all. I didn't have any mentor to guide me to the global exposure, but one thing which I got was unstoppable determination. I knew that I want to go beyond borders and beyond limits, and from that small town, I found my path to work with people across continents and countries, handling million-dollar projects. Now, why I share this? Because if a girl from a simple town can do, you can do as well. And I'm going to break down to a 4-step formula. Step number 1, invest in your skill set. So I did my MCA. I am MCA passed out in 2004. Your skills are your passport. I didn't stop after my college degree. The learning continued. I did a specific certification on ITSM. I did Lean Six Sigma Green Belt followed by Black Belt, and also I did lot of Linux related certification. When I started my career as a fresh young graduate, I didn't know everything. In fact, I was very nervous during my first job interview. But from there, I learned, I practiced. So those extra certification which I did really helped me to achieve where I am now. Remember, if you don't upgrade, you are downgrading yourself. Now reflect on what skill or what one tool that you can learn to upgrade your skill set. And if it costs late night work doing your practicals, and it might cost your weekends, but remember, when you learn, those skill sets will shield you, especially when the job market is fluctuating. 2. What you focus, it expands. When I pick up the LinkedIn, I won't just randomly scroll. I in fact look for very specific details, what companies are making the post, and build your resume as per ATS tool. And if you want to learn that, I have a video for that. I have given in the description of this. You may refer this video. One day I saw a job post. It was from an international company. Instead, I focused on my energy and I optimized my resume. And how many of you are sending the same resume to more than one or all job posts? It's wrong. You have to tune and optimize your resume for the exact job ad that you are replying to. You have to tune a little bit with your exact skill set that matches the job description. Don't spend too much hours in social media comparing yourself with others. That way you are shrinking yourself. Instead, spend your energy to expand your knowledge and networking through professional platforms. Next time when you're online in LinkedIn, just ask this question: are you here just to scroll or to grow? Keep going. Don't stop at challenges. Let's talk about the real struggles. Challenges are not glamorous. Your energy and sometimes even your faith in yourself. They are messy, they test your patience. For me, it was not just the project deadlines and escalations. It was about the daily battles. Fighting procrastination when my body wanted rest. Myself to come out from the comfort zone and working on late nights when others have already slept, and mornings, oh, it comes so quickly. I have to wake up early morning, cook for my kids, get them ready, and then switch to professional mode. Many days I thought how long I can keep this up. But here is the truth. These sacrifices will not go in vain. Every morning, every late night, and every time when I was silencing procrastination, we were sowing seeds of success, and in the end we harvest. We will sure reap the rewards of resilience. And this is how you will build your purposeful life. Not just being in your comfort zone, but by daring to step out, to stretch yourself and go beyond what is comfortable for you. And if you are struggling in that zone, working, parenting, managing personal life and professional life, you're not alone. You're not just surviving, you're building. And one day you will realize, and when you look back, those struggles were your strength. A purposeful life is not handed to us. It is harvested through effort, sacrifice, and perseverance. And the harvest, my dear friends, is always sweeter than our struggles. Now, here is the secret weapon most professionals ignore. It's your personal brand. Your resume says what you have done, but your personal brand says who you are. And trust me, companies don't just hire skills, they hire identity. Your personal brand is equal to your values plus your skills plus that is what you are good at plus what the market needs. And when you write in your profile, I didn't write just as a project manager. I wrote with data precision. I wrote how I led my team with empathy and emotional intelligence. And if you have any project as an internship or as part of your final year semester, you highlight the outcome of your presentation. Let's say you have supported coordinating an intercollegiate meet competition. You have to represent the outcome in your profile. Don't just put I'm a project manager or I participated in so and so events like that. And that is how you can stand out in this club. Think yourself as a brand. What do you stand for and what problem you solve? What makes you different from thousands of resumes? This is exactly what I have covered in my courses for professionals like you to build the personal brand, not just to chase job but how to attract opportunities. Because when you have already built your personal brand, you don't chase jobs, job chases you. And if you are serious about building your career, join my course and community and ping us with a message in the given WhatsApp number. Inside, I have covered step-by-step procedure to identify your values and get aligned those values with the skills that you already have and how you can map your skills to find the opportunity in the market is searching for right now. So remember this 4 steps. Never stop learning and always upgrade your skill. Focus, because what you focus on expands in your life. And keep going. Challenges are part of the journey. Number 4, build your personal brand to shine beyond your resume. Share this video and if you want to build your resume, check my video.